Are you looking for the best RC plane to take your flying experience to the next level? Whether you're a complete beginner learning your first takeoff or an experienced pilot looking for advanced aerobatics and smooth performance, today's RC airplanes offer incredible stability, longer flight times, powerful brushless motors, and smart flight assistance systems that make flying more fun than ever. In this video, we've rounded up the 5 best RC planes of 2026 based on flight performance, ease of control, durability, build quality, advanced features, and overall value. From beginner-friendly, ready-to-fly trainers to high-performance sport aircraft, there's a perfect RC plane for every skill level. Stay tuned until the end to discover which RC plane earned the #1 spot and why it's our top recommendation. Let's get started. Number 5. E-flite Valiant 1.3M BNF Basic RC Airplane. Coming in at number 5 is the E-flite Valiant 1.3M BNF Basic, an excellent RC airplane that combines beginner-friendly stability with the performance needed to keep experienced pilots entertained. Whether you're learning to fly or looking to improve your aerobatic skills, this versatile aircraft is built to grow with you. The Valiant features a 480 size brushless motor paired with a 30A telemetry-capable ESC, providing smooth power and reliable performance. It comes equipped with a Spectrum AR631 6-channel receiver featuring AS3X technology for enhanced stability, while Safe Select offers optional flight assistance to help new pilots fly with greater confidence. As your skills improve, Safe Select can be turned off to unlock the airplane's full performance. Factory-installed functional flaps allow for slower, more controlled takeoffs and landings, while expanding the airplane's overall flight capabilities. As a bind-and-fly basic model, it requires a compatible Spectrum transmitter, battery, and charger, making it an ideal upgrade for pilots who already own compatible equipment. Pros: beginner-friendly Safe Select flight assistance. AS3X stabilization improves flight performance. Powerful 480 size brushless motor. Functional flaps for improved takeoffs and landings. Wide flight envelope for both training and sport flying. Telemetry-capable 30A ESC, high-quality E-flite construction. Cons: transmitter, battery, and charger are not included. Requires a compatible Spectrum transmitter. Overall, the E-flite Valiant 1.3M BNF Basic offers an outstanding balance of stability, performance, and advanced flight technology. Its versatile design makes it an excellent choice for both new and experienced RC pilots, earning it our number 5 spot among the best RC airplanes of 2026. Number 4. FMS 1300mm Piper PA-18 Super Cub RTF RC Airplane. Coming in at number 4 is the FMS 1300mm Piper PA-18 Super Cub, a ready-to-fly RC airplane designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. With its stable flight characteristics, powerful motor, and rugged landing gear, it's a versatile aircraft that performs well on a variety of terrains. Powered by a 3536 kV 850 brushless motor and a 40A electronic speed controller, this airplane delivers smooth acceleration and plenty of power for relaxed cruising or more exciting maneuvers. It also features the Reflex V3 flight stabilization system, which helps maintain stable, confident flights while making it easier for new pilots to learn. One of its standout features is its STOL, or short takeoff and landing, capability. Thanks to the functional flaps and oversized rubber tires, the Super Cub can take off from very short distances and handle grass, gravel, sand, and other uneven surfaces with ease. As a ready-to-fly package, it includes the transmitter, receiver, battery, and charger, so you can get in the air with minimal setup. Pros: ready-to-fly package includes transmitter, battery, and charger. Reflex V3 flight stabilization system for easier flying. Powerful 3536 kV 850 brushless motor. Functional flaps with STOL capability. Oversized tires for rough terrain operations. Durable CNC metal landing gear. Suitable for beginners and experienced pilots. Cons: customer ratings are mixed. Water floats are optional and sold separately. Overall, the FMS 1300mm Piper PA-18 Super Cub offers excellent stability, strong performance, and true ready-to-fly convenience. Its rugged design and beginner-friendly flight characteristics make it our number 4 pick for the best RC airplanes of 2026. Number 3. VolantexRC Sport Cub 3CH RC Airplane. Taking the number 3 spot is the VolantexRC Sport Cub 3CH, a beginner-friendly RC airplane that makes learning to fly both easy and enjoyable. With built-in flight assistance, durable construction, and a ready-to-fly package, it's an excellent choice for first-time pilots and casual hobbyists. The Sport Cub is equipped with the X-Pilot 6-axis gyro stabilization system, which keeps the airplane steady in the air, even in light wind. It also features 3 flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert, allowing pilots to gradually improve their skills and switch to full manual control when they're ready. Built from lightweight flex foam, the airplane is designed to withstand minor crashes, while the prop saver system helps protect the motor and internal components during rough landings. The 3-channel control system offers smoother steering and more realistic flying than basic dual-motor trainers. With the included 2 rechargeable batteries, you can enjoy up to 40 minutes of total flight time, and the 2.4 GHz radio system provides reliable control up to 656 feet away. Pros: X-Pilot 6-axis gyro stabilization, 3 flight modes for all skill levels, durable and light flex foam construction. Prop saver protects the motor during crashes. Up to 40 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. 2.4 GHz radio with a 656-foot range. Ready-to-fly package with batteries and remote included. Compact and easy to transport. Cons: 3-channel design limits advanced aerobatics. Best suited for light wind conditions. Overall, the VolantexRC Sport Cub 3CH offers outstanding stability, beginner-friendly controls, and excellent value. Its durable design and easy learning curve make it our number 3 pick for the best RC airplanes of 2026.
Number 2. E-flite Turbo Timber Evolution 1.5-meter Smart BNF Basic. Taking the number 2 spot is the E-flite Turbo Timber Evolution 1.5-meter Smart BNF Basic, a high-performance RC airplane built for pilots who want exceptional versatility and advanced flight technology. With upgraded smart electronics, reinforced construction, and included floats, it's perfect for everything from smooth sport flying to STOL adventures on land or water. The latest model features a high-power brushless outrunner motor compatible with both 3S and 4S LiPo batteries, delivering outstanding speed, climb performance, and reliable power. A 70-amp Spectrum Avian SmartLight ESC provides real-time telemetry, including battery voltage, current, motor RPM, and more when paired with compatible Spectrum transmitters. The AR637TA receiver comes pre-installed with ASX3X stabilization and Safe Select, giving pilots smoother flights and optional flight assistance. Built for durability, the Turbo Timber Evolution includes reinforced mounting points, upgraded shock-absorbing landing gear, oversized Tundra tires, and a set of optional floats for water takeoffs and landings. As a bind-and-fly basic model, it requires a compatible transmitter, battery, and charger. Pros: powerful 3S 4S brushless motor, smart telemetry with 70-amp Spectrum Avian SmartLight ESC, ASX3X stabilization and Safe Select technology, reinforced airframe with upgraded landing gear, oversized Tundra tires for rough terrain, includes optional floats for water flying, excellent STOL performance, high-quality Spectrum electronics pre-installed. Cons: transmitter, battery, and charger are not included, best suited for intermediate to advanced pilots. Overall, the E-flite Turbo Timber Evolution 1.5-meter Smart BNF Basic delivers premium performance, advanced smart technology, and unmatched versatility. Its powerful flight capabilities and rugged design make it our number 2 pick for the best RC airplanes of 2026. Number 1. VolantexRC Sport Cub 4-channel RC airplane. Claiming the number 1 spot is the VolantexRC Sport Cub 4-channel RC airplane, one of the best ready-to-fly trainer aircraft for beginners and hobbyists alike. With its advanced flight stabilization, aerobatic capabilities, and user-friendly controls, it offers an excellent balance of performance, durability, and value. The Sport Cub is equipped with the X-Pilot 6-axis gyro stabilization system, making takeoffs, turns, and landings much easier for new pilots, while still providing an enjoyable experience for experienced flyers. It features 3 selectable flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert, allowing you to gradually build your flying skills before switching to full manual control. Unlike basic trainer planes, this 4-channel RC airplane supports more advanced maneuvers, including 1-key aerobatics for exciting flips and rolls. The powerful motor and efficient gearbox provide smooth, responsive performance with up to 20 minutes of flight time on a single battery. Its 2.4 GHz radio system delivers a reliable control range of up to 656 feet, while the lightweight foam construction and prop saver help protect the airplane during rough landings. As a ready-to-fly RTF model, it includes the airplane, remote control, battery, charger, and spare propellers, so you can get into the air in just minutes. Pros: X-Pilot 6-axis gyro stabilization for stable flights, 3 flight modes for beginners to advanced pilots, full 4-channel control with aerobatic capability, 1-key takeoff and stunt functions, up to 20 minutes of flight time, 2.4 GHz radio with 656 feet control range, durable foam construction with prop saver, ready-to-fly package includes remote, battery, and charger. Cons: requires AA batteries for the transmitter, best performance in light wind conditions. Overall, the VolantexRC Sport Cub 4-channel RC airplane combines beginner-friendly flight assistance, advanced aerobatic features, and dependable performance in a complete ready-to-fly package. Its ease of use, durability, and excellent value make it our number 1 pick for the best RC airplanes of 2026.